Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart today, the neighborhood market by my house. I got the Spin Master Monster Jam Series 36 Earthshaker, which I needed for the collection. So, you know, the back, all I need is Blue Thunder and Fast Stroll Van, and I have the whole set. Hot Warrior, I'm not gonna get any more variants because I have the tour one. So I'm not gonna bother with that. It's too much money wasted. I'm just gonna buy ones that I want and like, you know what I mean? And ones I don't have. So, without further ado, guys, we're gonna unbox this. I was easy to expect. Here is, guys, the Legacy Earthshaker. Focus that real quick. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Hold on, guys. Okay, Earthshaker with the nice glossy paint, BKT tires, the blank, or the dirt was blank now. That's how a real truck is in real life. Monster Jam logo, Earthshaker name. Really nice. You can see the glossy paint in the light, which is, I love that. There's a gray chassis, black roll cage, black tires. I mean, I cannot wait to get 2025's Monster Jam. Hopefully I go to the show, guys, hopefully. And it says monsterjam.com down back here. Well, for ado, that's all I bought today. I'm getting more trucks this week. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.